So let's say I give you the system of linear equations. So we get x minus 3y is equal to minus 5, and then we get 2x minus 5y is equal to negative 9. Now notice that we can actually write x in terms of y. So if we subtract in the first equation, if we add a 3y to each side, what we end up getting is that x is equal to 3y minus 5. So now that we've managed to write x completely in terms of y, we can use the substitution method, which basically means plugging in this value, 3y minus 5, into the x for the second equation. So plug x is equal to 3y minus 5 into the second equation, which is 2x minus 5y is equal to negative 9. So let's do that. So we end up getting 2 times x, which we've decided is 3y minus 5, and then minus 5y equals minus 9. Now before we simplify it, I want you to notice that the only variables in this equation are just y's. So we managed to reduce this into a linear equation in just one variable, which we are used to solving. So now we have 6y. I'm just going to distribute the 2 into this difference. So we get 6y minus 10, and then minus 5y is equal to negative 9. And now combining like terms, we get the 6y and the 5y, and that gives us just 1y. And then minus 10 is equal to minus 9. Adding 10 to both sides, we get y is equal to minus 9 plus 10, which is otherwise known as positive 1. So now we have our y value. And remember, since our linear equation is in 2 variables, we have to solve for 2 variables. So now that we found our y, we want to look for our x. So we want to plug y is equal to 1 into one of the equations so that we can solve for x. So I'm going to plug it into this first equation, which we fiddled with. The x is equal to 3y minus 5. So plug y equals 1 into x is equal to 3y minus 5. So doing it like so, we get that x is equal to 3 times 1 minus 5, which is the same thing as 3 minus 5, which is also known as negative 2. So now we have our x and our y, and we want to write our solution in terms of the ordered pair. So our final statement should say the solution to the system is the ordered pair x comma y, so minus 2 comma 1.